Are you struggling to find the best AI data science course in 2025? With thousands of options out there, it's confusing, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'll break down the easiest way to choose the perfect AI data science course for you. By the end, you'll know exactly which course is worth your time and money. So let's dive in. 1. Define your goal. Before choosing a course, ask yourself, what is your goal? Do you want to get a job in AI and data science? Are you already in IT and want to switch to AI? Do you want to freelance or build AI projects? Your goal decides the type of course you need. 2. Types of AI data science courses. Not all courses are the same. There are 3 main types. 1. Beginner-friendly courses for freshers. Platforms: Coursera, Andrew Ng, Udemy, Google AI. Covers: Python, ML Basics, and Intro to AI. Example: Google's AI for Everyone Course 2, job-oriented courses for career switchers. Platforms: DataCamp, Udacity, IDX. Covers deep learning, NLP, computer vision. Includes real-world projects and job placement support. 3. Advanced AI programs for experts. Platforms: MIT, Harvard, Stanford. AI courses focus on deep research, AI ethics, LLMs, and AI engineering. Best for researchers and PhD-level learners. Choose based on your experience. Third course selection checklist. Before enrolling, check these 5 things. Content: quality, covers, AI, ML, Python, deep learning, hands-on projects, real-world projects and case studies. Certification: industry recognized, Google, IBM, AWS. Placement: support. Does it help in getting jobs? Instructor credibility. Is the trainer experienced in AI? Don't just go for cheap courses. Quality matters. 4. Free versus paid courses. Should you take a free course or a paid one? Free courses. Good for basics. Google AI, Kaggle, YouTube tutorials. Great for beginners, but no deep learning or support. Paid courses. Best for career growth. Coursera, Udacity, Upgrad. Include mentorship and certificates. Some offer job placement assistance. If you're serious about a career, a paid course with mentorship is worth it. 5. Trending AI courses in 2025. Best beginner courses: Google's AI for Everyone, free. Andrew Ng's ML course, Coursera. Best for jobs: IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, Coursera. Udacity AI Nano Degree. Best for experts: MIT AI and Machine Learning course, Deep Learning Specialization, Andrew Ng. Pick the one that matches your level. So the best AI data science course in 2025 depends on your goal. Beginners should start with Google AI or Coursera. Job seekers should go for Udacity or IBM, and experts can explore MIT and deep learning courses. Comment below which course you're interested in. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe for more AI career tips. See you in the next video.